Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish Emergent AI app on App Store. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your completed Emergent AI app and make sure everything is working properly before publishing. Next, you'll need an IPA file for App Store submission. Now, if you directly deploy the app, it will require subscription to do this, but you can do this with another free method. Simply click on Share at the top and copy the URL of your generated app. Once copied, then open median.co in a new tab. Paste your app URL into the input field and choose the option to build your app. You'll then be asked to enter details such as your app name and email address. After entering the information, click Start Building My App. The platform will begin creating your iPhone app package. Once the build process finishes, click Download at the bottom of the page and then select the IPA option. Continue with the build process and complete the required app signing setup, since Apple requires signed apps for submission. After signing is finished, download the IPA file to your computer. Next, open App Store Connect and sign in using your Apple developer account. Create a new iOS app if you haven't already. Upload your IPA file using Apple's upload tools, complete the app information, and submit it for review. After Apple approves the app, your Emergent AI application will become available on the App Store. And that's it. So that's basically how you can publish Emergent AI app on App Store. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.